Start.
Hello everyone, we are here to present our project for Allen LLP Hackathon. The name of our project is Dream Come True. Our team comprises of me, Anjali, Ajay and Vatsala. The main idea behind our project is creating a website just by thinking about it. We have extended the amazing work done by Stanford's research team to convert imagined handwriting into text. The ECOG signals recorded from the cortex are processed through a recurrent neural network to convert it into text that we can process. The decoded text from the RNN model is cleaned up and auto-corrected to be used for recognizing intent and entities in the text. Using our tool, a user can add title, caption, images, change text, border colors, position of elements, or update background images. Now we'll see a project demo by Ajay.
Hello, I am Sriram Ajay from India. Now I will be presenting a demo of our work in this hackathon. Let's see how a user can create a homepage for his website by just thinking about it. User is thinking of as if he's writing some instructions to add components to his website. Here, we just take neural signals, process it, get text, process it, and then take action. So basically, as we can't have the real neural signals, we are synthetically generating the neural signals for the user type thinking of typing this kind of sentences. So let's see, user is thinking of set title as dream come true. Here we can see the title came here, dream come true. Let's see more in action. We can see the caption is added here. Let's say this time user wanted to do something fancy. Maybe they wanted to change the background to maybe fruits. So let's say he's thinking of something like set fruits in background. We can see the nice fruits are getting added. Say suppose user don't like this background, they wanted to change to different fruits, and then they can just say maybe something like next image. If not this, maybe different one, change image. Yeah, we can see the backgrounds are getting changed continuously. Thank you.
We have used the Imagine BCI dataset to train our RNN model. Once the sentence of the user is extracted and filtered from the neural signals, we use our NLP model, that is Paraphrase Mini Language Model of 6 layers, and ELMO for entity and intent recognition, respectively. After that, design tools processes it and performs actions accordingly. Here is a technology stack that we've used. Coming to the impact and future work, this project can have an impact in empowering differently abled people. Using this tool, they can create websites like Portfolio, e-commerce websites, etc., very efficiently. As part of future work, we can add the following features in the project. Thank you. We're Team Dreams Come True signing off.